Hi, I am from the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set video as wallpaper in Windows 11, so you can use a moving video as your desktop background easily. Step 1. Open Microsoft Store from the Start menu or taskbar, because this is the official place to safely download apps for Windows 11. Using Microsoft Store ensures the app is secure and compatible with your system. Step 2. Click on the search box at the top of Microsoft Store, which helps you quickly find apps by name. This saves time instead of browsing through categories. Step 3. Type Lively Wallpaper in the search box, which is a popular free app used to set videos and animations as wallpapers. Make sure the spelling is correct to get accurate results. Step 4. Click on Lively Wallpaper from the search results, which opens the app's official download page. Here you can see details about the app and its features. Step 5. Click on Get to add the app to your Microsoft account. This step starts the process of preparing the app for installation. Step 6. Click on Install to download and install Lively Wallpaper on your PC. Wait until the installation is complete before moving to the next step. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions shown after installation, which help you complete the initial setup. These instructions ensure the app runs properly on your system. Step 8. Double-click on any sample wallpaper to preview it and open the wallpaper settings screen. Step 9. After the preview opens, click on the Add Wallpaper plus button to add a new wallpaper. Step 10. From the available options, click on Browse to open the file selection window. Step 11. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved. Then select the video file from your PC. Step 12. Once the video file is selected, click on OK to confirm and set the video as your wallpaper. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel.